We're going to be converting complex numbers in its algebraic form to its trig form. Algebraic is also known as the standard form. Trig is also known as the polar form. This is going to seem very familiar to you because we've actually done this before, except we didn't have complex form. We had something called vector xy form, but it's 99.9% the same thing. Okay? So if I wanted to go from algebra form, a plus bi, into trig form, I need to find r, which is the same thing as the magnitude, which is nothing more than the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so it's going to be a squared plus b squared. Do not square that I. That I is really just a placeholder to indicate that that's the imaginary component. And also, if I had xy form and I wanted to convert it into the angle, I would use arctangent of y over x. But in this case, instead of y over x, it's literally just a change of the letters b over a. Again, make sure you are in the correct quadrant. Okay? And of course, going backwards, if I wanted to go from trig or polar form into standard form, okay, how do I find a, the real component? A is nothing more than the magnitude r times cosine of the angle. And then the imaginary component, b, is nothing more than r sine theta. Again, you can't forget it's alphabetical. A comes before b, cosine comes before sine.